What if you could set yourself up for success before you have even created a YouTube channel? Or maybe you can just flick a switch and make sure that your next video counts. No matter your situation, you can change some small steps to get closer to your goal. First of all, we need a clear direction. We need to understand why are we producing the videos we are producing, who are we producing the videos for, and why should they care to watch our videos? Why do you create your videos is basically up to you. Maybe you have a certain interest, maybe you want to show someone a different angle of something, maybe you want to talk about something, maybe you want to teach someone about something, or maybe you just simply love to create videos and share it on YouTube. Who are you creating your videos for? To understand who you are creating your videos for will not only make it easier for you to put your videos in that direction, to understand, okay, how old are they? Is it a kid? Is it a grown-up? Is it someone in between? Are they interested in this? Are you supposed to use this color in the thumbnail? And so on and so forth. So to understand the audience that you are creating videos for is really important to put your videos in the right direction. Because if you are making videos for kids, for example, you will most likely simplify a bit. You will most likely use music and sound effects to make it a bit more happy so the kids will understand or pay attention to what you are creating. Or maybe you're making videos for people that are 30, 35 years old or something, then you will also be changing the way you are making your videos. Know for a fact that grown-ups will understand a bit more, so you can explain a bit more. So you have to understand your audience, the people that are gonna watch your videos. And now over to the third one. Why? Why should they watch your YouTube videos? There are a bunch of YouTube videos on the same topic and on the same YouTube niche. Why should they watch your videos? My niche in my YouTube topic, how to grow on YouTube, how to get more subscribers and stuff like that. There are a bunch of different YouTube channels out there that are explaining similar stuff, but I have realized that I have a unique voice, a unique approach. Coming from a professional standpoint, I have been working with film and video for many years, so hopefully I can put those two together. Most of the other channels that I have been watching for years, like vidIQ for example, or Think Media, they have different approach, but they are answering the same questions. How to grow, how to get more views and stuff like that. You have to understand why people should care about your content. And take that second question, who is watching your videos, will make it so much easier for you to understand, okay, why should they care? Because if you're able to fill a gap, sometimes there are a bunch of different videos covering the same topic, the same video ideas, but if you are able to figure out, okay, there are a bunch of videos about this thing, but no one is talking about this really important stuff, they are talking about everything else, I can be the voice that makes that type of video. There you have the reason for someone to care, the reason why they should watch your videos. That's basically it. So if you're able to take the why do you create, who is it for, and why should they care, and put it into a profile. Try to imagine yourself a person, the perfect person for your channel. How old are they? Where are they from? Their the gender and everything in between. What are their interests? Maybe they speak a different language. Maybe are interested in cars, baking, whatever. It doesn't really matter. You are probably the target audience for your own videos. So just take what you enjoy and just apply it to your own videos. For you to utilize that target audience, the profile that you just made, and make sure that you get the most out of your subscribers, watch this video up next where I explain everything with the algorithm. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye.